comments get the best of me, you know, but you have to understand that I want them to understand that when they come over here, I'm sure everybody who come on can see the dynamics of what we're doing. So I don't want them to come and disrespect the counselors, the people them who come tell us things and to learn something them and disrespect them. I'm not with that. So that is why I had to stop the live to get for them to understand that. Because you know, I'm not really behave rowdy over this page. So everybody, welcome back, Miss Javana, the socialite, the one and true Javana that most of us don't know, but we are going to get up close and personal tonight with Miss Javana when she tell us all. Because instead of other people telling her story, I want her to be the first to tell us her story here. So we're going to take away the hearsay. She'll go admit to the wrongs, and she'll admit to her rights, and whatever wrong she not gonna take it. So here what happen now. Welcome, Javana, my co-host. Welcome back to Life After Being Broken. I love your hair and you're so beautiful.
Thank you, baby. You're looking so nice tonight and so beautiful as well, my sweetheart.
Thank you, darling. Thank you. How are you doing?
Yes, I like the filter, you know, the filter you're going, girl.
So first of all, Javana, let me say this to you before you start and you get into the situation that we're about to handle. I haven't known you for very long, you know, and for the little that we talk, and you know, I will talk about a lot of stuff, and you have shared stuff with me, and I just want to say this to you. Whatever you had done in your past, it doesn't define your future, and never let unscrupulous people feel like they can use your past against you to put you down. You understand me? Because we all make mistakes. You understand? And all who's talking, they might sex a few people where them never did like either, where them never end up with
Javana Cosmetics, please.
You know, so
put that on the things. Put that on the thing.
Okay. Oh, okay. Yes. Yes.
Javana Cosmetics. Good night, everyone. People that like me and people don't like me. Still, I'm telling you good night. Come and have a soul in my heart. Yeah.
Okay. So welcome. We know that they're going to record this and they're going to send it on the medias. But for people who is going to record, I would like for you to record our first session that we had with the mental illness and also with Olaf. Please to spread the positive too. I am begging you. You can pre-record, you can record whatever it is that you guys want to record, but make sure say you record the nice part of the show too and the careless part. That is about to happen. That is about to go down. So let's go. So Javana, first of all, this whole thing that started today on social media, I'm sure you don't know about what it is and where I don't know if you know where it's coming from or how this all started today. You know, it reached the blogs. This young lady, I don't know her. She was talking mad shit, and she had posted a list of men that they say that you have slept with.
Yeah, come like I'm and sleep with them because she know more than me. Like I'm and sleep with them.
So we want for you.
Listen, may I mind my business? I'm gonna sit down, I mind my business. I'm gonna get somebody. I say, yo.
Hola, DJ, top jump in there. Go ahead.
Yeah, I'm still on my business. You understand? I'm still on do all my schoolwork. And listen, get a video and a girl that talk about me. I mean, I say, yo, bitch, let me tell you something. If me and you agree, I'm up on my live and somebody calling him. Do what me do. I'm up on live enough time and people come and people are calling people name. You know me do? I not answer them. I'm just black. I'm not answer. Because me and a friend, me not calling him. That's what me believe in. Me and a friend are calling him. Me and what are we woman and what are we do things? Me not calling him. Why you feeling froggy? Oh, so you calling him. Why you calling him? Me and a friend. You understand? Why are you calling my name and me and a friend? Go look for your look. Listen to me. I don't disrespect people. That's one thing I do. I don't disrespect people. But look, a girl, let me tell you something. You see a drunk and a dog act like you're a drunker. You know why? Because you carry a baby for 9 blood clot months. You carry a baby for a baby girl. You is a evil. You carry a baby for 9 months and then you go to America. You go to America. You go to America and you drop off the little girl, the little boy, and you me couldn't carry a baby for 9 months. When I'm on handicap, foot the cap or any blood clot cap.
Hold on there. Hold on. We need a drink.
You understand me?
I
No,
forget
me no matter where it want be, it's mine out of my home. You understand me? Me have to carry the baby there. Me couldn't let the baby there nowhere. Me have to hold the baby there and have a love it same way. You understand? So me can't in an argument with a dirty drunk girl like you when carry a baby for 9 months. Never 5, never 4, 9 months the big belly go to America and because the baby come out handicapped, you left the baby America. So how me to argue with you?
Wait for me, them in the store strong. I'm gonna tell myself something now. Drink.
We carry the baby for 9 months and left the baby America because the baby come out handicapped. I'm still a human being. If me to come out handicapped, I wouldn't want my mother leave me. I want my mother stick with me same way. Understand me? Because me carry one, me have to have it same way because I'm my one. So me can't argue that you're a dead dog. You're not a human being. So me can't argue, girl, you're not a human being. And stop take up numbers, baby girl, like you're idiot and I take up fake name. Till all pink one of you tell us say those are fake. Baby girl, I want to think about Javana again. Me not hide. No, fuck with me, fuck. None me not hide. None of them me not hide. Dirty Rabia. Dirty stinking Rabia. I none. And listen to me. Me now come back on this because my box already in your face. December, your friend Sue was there. Remember me outside the taboo where your friend Sue. You come to your friend Sue. I'm saying my girl, I say, idiot girl, where you come here so near me? Me and a friend, where you come here suffer? I'm give you 2 boxes right in front of the man. Remember the wife man where you have for baby girl? I in my box in front of so go back and ask the man. You understand what I say? The whole of we are drunk and the whole of we are dog and the whole of we fuck. Everyone, Rabbi ain't better than me, Danisha better than me, none of we better than none of we. None of them are better than none of we. I mean, I argue with no dead man within the grave, my love. Me not argue with no dead man. Why girl have me probably look for a dead man with dead long time? What that's on the wall of the place? Me not argue. We can't argue about a man with everybody something. One thing with me, me not give no man props. I mean, not gonna say boy give me something and boy never give me nothing. That me I tell you. Me not argue and tell lie. Say boy give me things or boy left this to me when you know boy left nothing for you. Remember you know you have to pay for half of the house and Nisha. Remember? Me not argue about nothing what boy never give me. I mean I tell lie. Say boy give me this and come on name. Me not. Female, stop big up man and stop give boy props when never do nothing for you. Boy, when boy not give you nothing, say boy not give you nothing. I just say it because sometimes and all the time you go get.
Stop. Take a deep breath. So all of this is over somebody that you used to mess with?
Obviously, because I not see the people, so I don't know over dead man. I can't a long time. Can't put over that because everybody's something. Me can't in argument with somebody over everybody's something that makes sense to me. Why you mad? And then people will say me mad. Me not talk. Me not show people, you know.
So the lady that allegedly, because I'm going to say allegedly coming on them sue me just a start out live. Well, there. So allegedly the lady had wrote a list because she's trying to put you down to say you have sex.
And I don't know why
all these men, right? Everybody sex. All of with sex. Some man with sex will sell liquor front every now and again. And we shame. No, we're not shame because we collect. Everybody do it. All of them do it. Some people get some sex. Some get some wanna move. Some do some wanna move.
Sometimes you don't get nothing.
Sometimes you don't get nothing. What you call the boy and the boy good that you just say. You know about the one on boy you go out with things. Boy have a buzz.
And so I know sometimes you just don't get anything. I mean, I never tell a lie, say never get anything. If you don't get anything, you don't get anything. All the way a woman that we make mistakes and we talk to people, we see people and all of that. But guess what? We learn and we move on. So come on, stop take people past and who them usually sleeping and stop add on. Don't add on to me, baby. Look, I want thing, I girl and I nobody should sleep with. Because I always want everybody to sleep with. All when me did young and I'm foolish, me still proud that same way. One thing with me not hide it. So nobody you don't need to add on baby girl. Because one thing with me, once you ask me, I will tell you, you don't need to add. they will tell you too. You understand me? So I can't over, nobody not draw me out. Nobody not, I'm just talking. We need woman to stop put on other woman because what sense you put me down? That's gonna make you feel better, that's gonna make you sell more clothes, that's gonna make you get somebody to wife you up, that's gonna make somebody love you more. Listen to me. That now make nothing change. Stop walk and put on other woman.
So when you allegedly was dating this person, was the other party dating the man also?
Of course, she claims that the man never eyed me. So I was everywhere with the man. She was in the house pregnant. So the baby shower, since it was your man and he never eyed me. All right, since remember you go up and spy show you talk. I know me not talk yet to my kids. Because Javana and I like to talk. So remember you talk.
But remember this is the tell us, so you're going to tell it all tonight. You're going to end. Okay, so if you finish talk about it tonight, you don't need to talk about it tonight. This is the last. Yes. So you're going to speak about it now and leave it right here up on the
right
table.
There. Right
all
there.
Right, go on now.
Yes. The man tell me that he might be not into anything, but the man lives at the house. You understand? The dead man. The dead man. The dead man. Yes, dead man. So when he baby shower, since I say, me and nobody and the man tell us say, you know, they're with me. And I lie me tell them. First I say the man never did with me, that's a one. Then they say the man eyed me. But okay, but big New Year's, Christmas dinner, who you spend it with? Your big belly and yourself in the house by yourself. When the man came with me in the car outside and take the kids and we went up into your friend house, up and the sister house, go and eat Christmas dinner. Okay. Next time, New Year's Eve. Who and you spend New Year's Eve? It's me and the man went to Mr. Brown house up. Me and the man I went to the man house and take the man and me and the man go to New Year's Eve up and friend house uptown go spend New Year's Eve. You went to a big French man connection by yourself. People from Instagram don't lie me because she alone was at the party. You understand? Yes, so what you say, the whole of you Masut and the whole of you Yamabella. Man trick me already, my love. Man fuck on me already. The whole of you Yamabella. So that one I say yeah, good as the whole of you, man do it to all of you now.
So you're basically saying that the man was not with the alleged party when you guys were together because he told you that him and the woman are there.
I remember second man are wicked. The man can tell me that and I remember
right.
Some man are wicked. I don't believe what man say. I that to me. I don't give man props kids. You know
so
that.
And I'm going to say this, and I've said this to you before. I can understand where the baby mother is concerned, where she have a certain ill feelings towards you. Hold on, no man.
Yeah.
Remember, you know me, I'm going to tell you what it is. I can understand that, but us as women need to hold these men accountable for their actions. You understand me? Instead of taking it out on the other woman, speak to the man about the problem, because the woman is not the problem. If the man did respect you and do and all these things, he wouldn't bring this woman at your house to pick up your kids, and that is number one, because that is disrespectful. Because them something there, man forget chop up and everything for that. You can't a girl come to my house. That is number one, that is a reference, that's a disrespect. Number two, cuff the man because of him and make you look shame.
That's my problem.
The next part about it, this person is deceased.
Long time.
So why are we here now in 2020 when a pandemic is going on, people hungry,
people are dead,
people business not thriving, when everybody's supposed to unite, and we are talking about Black Lives Matter, when we the black people are sitting one another. How that makes sense? How that makes sense?
But kids, you know what funny thing is? Me not give me tell you, man wicked. I mean, cause no woman over no man. Me not eat no woman over no man because man, them turbulent. Hey, them told me no more than Yamabella. Man, wicked. You understand?
Girl, all I will go through it and all the way. Have stories I will tell you, I will laugh about. Because I regular me go live and talk about the story them, I will laugh about them. Because at the end of the day, what mean in your past, you can't fix it in, but it's how you move on.
But we can talk about it, I laugh about it, and we can move past about it. So
you understand me? So I don't see, but I don't understand how the friend got involved in a triangle affair.
That's my problem. Because I don't have a problem. I don't have a problem with either party. You know, that's my problem. I don't have a problem with either party. You understand? I mean, my problem with either party. People talk me, they will talk. Me not have a problem with nobody. Come, I don't care. Me not care. Why you calling my name? Like, come on. You know, it's the corona killer of people. Where you want to come sit down and live, you can go talk about business. So much things I can go talk about. Where you want to come talk about something dead and gone. Man, dead and rotten out in anger already. You understand? Because the man, me give man props, man I eat that, I'm gonna drink, man dead that.
Women need to stop. DJ!
And why your friend
stop
I mean, I see
one more
Rabia,
time put you out.
little girl, wait up argument for your head. Wait up
Who
argument for
are
your
them?
head.
Tell the
Wait
people
up
that make
argument for your head.
the
What me you have?
What are you doing?
So wait, why me you even sit down? Big woman like me, why
Please
me
put
sit
just
down and look at
no
kids
matter
their
with
lives
jumping
when I
in the
talk to
place.
you for? Me not understand it. Eh? Look at careless girl, why me if in an argument, me and I have not look a girl. So why you feel like if you jump up and take up dead argument? To me that's a dead argument, you know, because that gone a long time, you know. That gone a long time. You understand? You know, go sit down myself, I'm gonna fix yourself, I'm gonna look for your handicap thing the way you left my girl. But you couldn't left my child no matter when come out, you know.
But the lady was on live and she was showing me no want get tonight, you know, me no want be biased, so me no want do the something them come, me no want to talk, me no them come for me, you know, when them come for me I come out in a funeral outfit and church at and be, you know, when them come for me, my life, them not normal. I want to be as fair as possible. What she did today was very disgusting and it don't make no sense. Because if somebody come on the live and wish we have seen it before when they the live and them come and them talk about somebody we not talk
And them
about,
calling me woman not talk about
we
what you see me do?
ignore them and we carry on.
Okay.
Why? What happened? What triggered her that she had to go off like that? She said, Javana fuck out and this
Yeah,
and that and a class. Oh,
what
we
me
fuck out
have?
and we're no virgin. No man no get none of our virgin pum pum. So pum pum tongue long, some short, some of our all big and pink and some of our all white, some of our pussy cool, some of our pussy warm. So why we ever talk about pum pum? Why of course worried about pum pum?
Yeah, we are talking about, you tell a woman say she fuck up. What that mean? Once a woman fuck more than one man, she don't must fuck more than one. She have to fuck up because what you mean?
So if you're the man don't work out, you're not supposed to find a next person.
No, I'm supposed to stay there like me an idiot. One thing me know me not tell a lie on the boy, but one thing Javana not do, me not tell a lie, I'm not give no boy props. I mean not say boy give me nothing when boy don't give me nothing. And the whole of you are fucking, you're fucking the married man and you're fucking fierce by Dre. So why everybody talk about my little all? Because you're fucking fierce by Dre and you're the married man fuck and job up in them things. You're for the big man run this so and you're for the other man run this so. Yeah, me don't know.
So you're saying basically set parties, the next party has a list also that they are not talking about.
Everybody want to have one list, send out list now? Eh? Send out list. Where you go?
So those of you that are saying that Javana is speaking about the young lady's child. Earlier today, Javana best friend Shorty
she talk about
had a panic attack because the other party spoke about her child.
Talk about my little niece. Don't do that.
Right. So even though it is not right, you know, all gloves are off and everybody's talking.
No, everything come off right now because you for started. I start talk about little girl. Don't talk about kids. We don't talk about arguments. Talk about big people. Don't talk about nobody kids. If I go about kids, we can go kids too. Don't do that. You live a little girl. You live a little baby. You shouldn't live a little baby. That's all me I say. Me not class a baby, Mr. Say. Me couldn't carry a baby for 9 months and left it. I don't care. Me not care how it want come out. Me couldn't left it. Period. You understand me? Stop walking and talk about people. And it's gonna mix up. I'm only listen to me. I'm only address this tonight. Stop, ladies, when stop walk and class other woman over man. Stop give man that strength. Stop do that. Cause what are we not say man? I wicked and fuck like dog. Me not big up no boy. No boy me not big up. Come man walk and class we all the time and tell we be a lie. We are young bella for boy. We are clown for enough boy too. So what we are say. Stop one like you good as
make my fear sure you make story them.
What you say when a man buy your things? Eh?
So you're saying that the lady said the man gave her and left her with the millions of dollars and all his fortune, and you're saying that's a lie?
Man, look, money was she find up at the house when the man dead in the house. She's supposed to tell us something. You're supposed to get it to baby girl. You have a child for the man, so you're supposed to get something. Right now, you're supposed to get a lot of things because you're a mother, and I believe in that. You should get something. I was just sleeping with a man. That's a whole different thing. You're a baby mother. You should get assets out of it. You should, because guess what? You have a child. You're supposed to. You're entitled. That's the difference. You understand?
So I saw a comment of somebody saying that you're taking people, man. And my thing is this: if the man is yours, nobody can take him. He will fuck. but he's going to come back. So if that woman had the power to let that man move out of your home to go and start a home with her, that's not your man. That's everybody's man, and he's up for grabs at any time. But go ahead, speak. I just have to put my 2 cents every now and again. Yeah, go on again.
Me don't talk. Me have not more to say because listen, me not argue with no young bella girl with a picnic. That's all me I say. Me not argue with no girl. Me not argue with no girl that left the Caribbean for 9 months and left it because something wrong with it. That's a wicked person.
But something wrong with our bedhead too. Something wrong with our bedhead.
Yeah. The woman come now and say the woman have a long time. Yo, kids, where you from?
Allegedly, somebody said the lady had a grandma bedded. I don't know. Them said the woman not have no young girl bedded. Because the bedded we she did have, them say are from carpenter days and every young girl know have either leather bedded, suede bedded, or what the next one name? Satin. I mean, I know. Listen, I don't know these people. I'm just reporting. I am just being. Listen, when I bring it back, remember, I'm just being the host. Okay.
Kids, yeah, we kid.
I was on a
diet. Stop walk and done other young girl. What the problem? Stop walk and done woman. What the problem? What is this for? Where you walk and done for baby girl? You know nobody. Everybody know that for be a man. Furthermore, me not feel no way. I mean, what the girl? I mean, not tell like one man give me man give me dollar. Boy, give me dollar. So it goes. Sometimes I don't get nothing. If me not get nothing, me not get nothing. Me can't go walk and tell like, oh, don't say the man give me $1 million. And man do this. Listen to me. Listen to me. Boy, not give me nothing, boy, not give me nothing. And I saw me stay, me now go walk and tell her that. But one thing I know though, ain't no boy can belly hurt me. Ain't no boy can piss and shit for me. Period. Me not human toilet.
What?
The boy can piss and shit for me, me not human toilet.
What you mean?
What you mean, what I mean? The boy can piss and shit for me. Last time I checked them. So I guess me not go have nothing then. Me not go want nothing. For that me have to forget, I don't want it. Me alright.
What you mean by piss and shit?
Remember, never me say it, and nobody never say it. That woman come talk it out her good mouth.
Say what?
Man piss on her, and she like it.
No, this is another thing now, ladies and gentlemen, young girls. We know, with the fussing and everything, that is fine, but why would you degrade yourself to have somebody pee on you or shit on you? That is, how do you feel after you're finished doing that? Like, supposed to do the smell.
One thing you never know, we never hear some said, I never hear some nobody pass a piece of shit for me yet. I mean, in a 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 6 and a 7. Can't hear that about me though. And I can't talk about it. Look at top man when me talk to me proud of them. Yeah,
but all of them wife you up. You used to live with all of them who you're there with.
Thank you.
You were living in their house. So that's what I don't understand. And I want everybody on this live, you know, there may be about 10,000 people. We are saying 900 and something now, but when we hang up, we're going to see enough people. I want everybody to understand that there's 3 women in Jamaica. No matter how much man them take, man still want them. Javana, a young lady by the name of Rosie, and another young lady by the name of The Angel. Those 3 women in Jamaica, no matter how much man them take, other man want them. I don't know where them have possessed. I don't know what kind of pum pum, where them do what kind of tricks, whatever it is. But Javana have to teach me a few little things. But the man them have the 3 women there. So here what happened now. It don't make no sense in the war with them if you don't see them, I take the man them.
Me not tell it, me not human tell it. The last time I checked, that's okay. If you want me to take 2 and 3 man, that's and 4 and 5, that's okay. If you want to take baby girl, stop. Listen to
Prince,
me.
come off of my name. Me a virgin.
Stop coming at add. Call Pink one have to tell us to stop add up name. Baby girl, you don't have to tell a lie for me. For me, nobody degrade because it doesn't matter if you degrade me or what you say, that don't mean nothing to me. Because in the day, I'm not saying in my life or my lifetime or where I'm headed, I'm not seeing you. Stop walking. May I just have a message for females. Stop walk and degrade other females because you know we're not the worst. Stop walk. Listen to me now. Stop walk and degrade other females because you know what things they want to do. Stop walk and degrade other females. Do what you do and focus on your life and leave people business alone and stop degrade other woman. You understand? So Javi did. I never dated that man.
Leave me alone, Pele, in the name of Jesus. Not tonight.
I'm only stop calling him and call me name with boy. Cause me never take the man. So stop walk and talk that. The man will tell that on their own mouth. Me never do that. So stop walk and say that. When you come over here and tell us.
So let it be known. Let it be known who on the list that you are dated to get everybody.
Know on the list. When I tell him to stop talk that, I will call the man when he Russian. This is signal. Who else? Bolt. Sterling and them, Leon and them people, stop calling people them name I'm not talk to and stop do that. Or stop calling people business. Like don't do that. Listen to me. Me have a list, but don't need for add to try to make me look bad. Why not try to make me look bad? That don't make no sense. Come on.
This is very draining.
You couldn't come on live and say house empty because a big blood clot into that was the house me living out with 4-story, 3-story upstairs and downstairs. And so I don't know what you say, baby girl. So what you say, come on, people like they don't know better.
My house must be empty, mama. I must be my own. I might want to echo. Sorry.
And I want him, yeah.
I must be my
woman.
Booby, the lady just has said that the list that they're saying is not accurate.
And anything I need to clarify.
And at the end of the day,
stop walking,
enough away, sex enough man. Where we know when we grow up big now, we're not proud of. Me not seen a virgin pan the life. I want everybody pan the life. If them only fuck one man in them life, put up them on. Every woman pan the life. If only one man wanna ever fuck, put up on her hand. Please. Put up on her hand. If you only fuck one man, because no found upon the life fuck all blood clot dog and cat and puss and rat.
I'm gonna piss and shit on no.
So me don't know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
You no fuck woman, you no fuck baby boy, girl, you no coming like ABC fast or slow. Boy, girl, animal place or blood clotting. So me don't know what I'm talking about. No, I don't like it. I don't like the situation. I don't like the carrying and I don't like the situation. You're here speaking what it is and them still attack. Just fucking come over here and listen. The girl is being open. So I don't have to speculate. Because if words could talk about someone life, or someone who is only there with the one man and Uno and the man, they're from 15 years. I must be about 2 years out of the blood clot 15 Uno and the man because someone is sad. Because if me, somehow, when they're life, I'm so happy with the man, and I should over here and listen to kill his business. Because
because I'm in no competition, I'm in no argument to no girl, because I'm Rabia, I know you see this right now, because I know you have a look a fake page, I know what's up on pink wall. You know me box you, your friend Sue was there, the man with that foot down off was there, wall of people was there right in front of Taboo. You know me get 2 box because you come near me. Me not long talking, baby girl. You know all the badness go down. So me not say nothing else.
No, but Booby, you come on here and because I know say you're one of them where the over pink wall are coming too. A lot of you guys where the over pink wall are coming and come over here. You don't want to listen. So listen, she's telling her side of story. So why you come over here and say, oh, this, that. And if the young lady Rabia wants to come on this platform, we will accept her on this platform. So I would like for you guys to send her the line so she can come talk for your piece too. Because we're not by us over here. You understand what I say? And me just left she and Javana, and me give Javana the lagi, me Javana lagi, and the 2 of them ash it out so we can watch it live. If that's the case.
She come talk about my friend this. Bitch, talk about yourself. What the fuck you have? My friend this, my friend, this. Bitch, what you have? What you doing? Eh? Stop give man props. Hold on me I talk to. Look a young girl. Stop give man props. You hear me I tell you now? Stop walking and give boy props. You understand? I look a young girl. This is the big woman thing. I'm in an argument. I see. You realize I'm come over here. I'm in a class here. The only thing I have to really tell you, like a girl, I don't even tell about the people that you see because I don't care about who you see. That don't have to do with me. But go and take your little child. You say, look a child. We have a disability. Let's go and take your little child with disability. Come off of the streets and go and take your little child because that to me is really sad. Go and take your little child. That's that come out of you for 9 months. I don't know how you do it, girl.
Everybody take somebody, man. Come be there with somebody, man, too. Everybody take somebody, man. Because if we don't understand the ratio of man to woman is very short. Man short. Una dead is
Cause I don't
incarcerated.
care, coming and watch no girlfriend. I mean,
So you have
which girl want fuck this,
10,
fuck this, and
10
wanna
girl
get
to
this.
one
I
man.
don't care.
But I think the problem is why they are so obsessed with you is because you are a household name. You are a social media influencer. You're somebody who have one heap of following. You're very beautiful. Your body not look
I'm
bad.
gonna
You
tell no lie. I'm gonna tell no lie. Me never yet come on social media and say, oh, me rich there. Me never yet come and say, oh, me rich. I'm this. Even have me don't have it. Me I sit down and me I work for mine. I me I take my little time and I work for mine. Everybody in their life make mistake. And I saw you make mistakes, so you grow along and so you do your thing. Understand? That's why I tell no lie. Every time I come on live, I talk about something positive. But talk about my past.
Surpass, you're also because you're over here. Everybody who they on Instagram from Jamaica we in the party world know who Javana is. If you don't even know her in person, know you see her face, but you hear her name. You understand me? Because people do talk. Everybody talks. And everybody at or all the way at or because if we think about it, or come from a generation then because I want a jacket gear Jamaica. So it come from enough our generation, and if we could have checked back in our generation and go back and see, we would have seen where the owners have come from. Anyways, the life has 24 seconds. Do you want to come back, Javana?
Me don't let me come back. If people want me come back, them come back. Me finish talk though. Me not know to say because me don't want to trace the girl and me can't. Me don't know if I argue. I don't know if I trace. I don't know if me not tell a girl who should take. I don't know and I don't care. So me never do that. You ever see me have a problem? Just pull the fuck up. That's it. And we could hash it out. Me not know what to say. Cause me don't know if to talk.